Okay, so price action traded into the propulsion candle, into the order block. And we now see price create another bullish order block after trading into the bullish order block. Propulsion candle is another block that was created after reacting off an order block. Okay, and it has its rules for how to use it. So price traded into the bullish order block and creates another bullish order block. So we now see another. Let's do this. We now see price create another bullish order block. Okay, remember that this one too is a sell candle. So price created a bullish order block, traded higher. Then we now trade back into the last sell candle there. And we see another candle close above. That's a bullish order block. So the propulsion candle is this candle. The second order block there is called a propulsion candle. Usually price action will react off the propulsion candle. And we shouldn't see price action trade into the order block mean threshold. We shouldn't see price trade violate below 50% of this order block, because if it's going to hold, you're clearly going to know from here. You know whether you're in the right direction. Once price trades into this proportion candle, it's going to start reacting higher without wasting time. And if you are wrong, you're going to know, because price action will violate it as fast as possible. You know you're in the wrong direction of price. So that's what I see the dollar did yesterday. Price created a bullish order block here. See that? That other block traded down into it. And what do you see? We see a buy candle that closed higher. It is called propulsion candle, the bullish propulsion candle. And look at how price traded into 50% of the candle. You measure the two sell candles there. Let's do this. So we measure 50% of the candle there as the main threshold. That's the main threshold of the other block. Price action traded, boom, into it. You give it a buy. If you do this, let's see. I recommend that when doing this, just use the candle body. So sometimes if the candle wicks are not large, you also match the candle wicks in identifying the other blocks. But regardless, so price traded into the propulsion candle, and look how price again, boom, created another propulsion candle. Why is it propulsion? Other block, bullish other block. What do you see? Sell candle that traded into it, created another other block. What do you have? Another propulsion candle. You see that? Price traded into it and is expanding higher. Okay. So today, like to see the dollar trade above the relative equal highs right there. The old high there, the relative highs here already that's been created. We like to see price action sweep all of that, and if possible, give us an expansion into the drawn liquidity here, all of the liquidity void there, or possibly just take this out and just retrace and close the week, because it's Friday, and Friday is usually a slow price day. Okay, so this is it for me on the dollar. There's nothing really significant today. Until next week, we would see price action create more interesting program for either a buy. For a buy, of course, we're looking to buy into the internal range, and from the internal range, we look to sell them up based on what we've just looked at today. Gold delivered as projected, bullish Bullish, 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 bullish. Whoa. See our analysis the other day on Wednesday. We said we needed to see gold trade below the sell side liquidity pool there. Boom. And I was even looking at price action coming into this other block. But guess what? Do you see that? The structure here. Remember what I just showed you guys on the dollar? I said when you have structure with something like this and another block here, institutions will usually ignore the other block and pay attention to the guy there. Pay attention to the guy here. I think I even saw something similar this morning on synthetic indices, one of the indices I was analyzing. Let me see if I could show you guys. You know, with this guy again. I remember who drove it clearly. Okay, so see another one here. Price created a high there, and we have a bullish other block below. Because of the highs here, that structure there would usually hold price and make price ignore this guy. All right, instead of this, pay attention to this. So the same way we saw it happen on the gold price mitigated order at that old swing high. The gold is the swing high. See that three candle with the middle candle having the highest high? Price action traded back, boom, into that previous bearish order block that was violated. It's confluencing with also a fair value, sells a liquidity pool. It's the reason why we didn't get here. And price created that expansion. Bah! Into the drawn liquidity like we outlined on the daily time frame. This is crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. So how would I have gotten an entry here? Simple. 15 minutes. I'm looking for swing low. Three candle with the middle candle having the lowest low. As price action takes out the high of the third candle here. You see that? 1, 2, 3. The middle candle has the lowest low. This is the third candle. Immediately we pierce through the high of the third candle. That's a buy for me. With my stop loss below the low of the third candle here. And the drawn liquidity was that old high there. Price action significantly delivered. Okay, so what am I looking at on gold at the moment? Let's look at the higher time frame. Gold is what? Bullish. We just keep buying gold for now. We buy gold. Gold is bullish. If you have a question or mute your mic, ask me. I'll be all today.
Good morning, sir. My question is for the Asian session, the Asian kill zone strategy this morning. I just wanted to see your thoughts on it because when I looked at the DXY, I know that overall we're bearish, but we're expecting some retracement. And then price swept the high of Asian session. So I just wanted you to talk about that a bit.
How do you mean? So price swept the high of the Asian session?
Yes, it did. And it shifted structure too on the 5 minute.
Very. All right. So you are saying that we've seen price take out the Asian session high and you're looking to sell the dollar.
I'm not necessarily looking, but it was a bit confusing because of the overall bias of the daily and the conflicting retracement that we're expecting. So I was wondering if price would take out the low before continuing pushing up.
Price doesn't have to take out the low before we push up. Again, the Asian session strategy doesn't have to print out every single day, Monday to Friday. That's not how institutions operate. If it's that easy, everybody's going to be rich.
Yeah,
You get the point?
yeah, I do.
You are using the Asian session strategy. We said an ideal Asian session is between, what's the first thing to do to identify the Asian session range itself? Is that correct?
Yeah.
An ideal Asian
No, you
session should be between what and what?
8 to 11 GMT plus 1.
No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about time. An ideal Asian session range is between 20 to 40 pips and shouldn't be greater than 40 pips.
Okay. Yeah.
Any Asian session that is greater than this in terms of range already disqualifies that strategy for use, because what it simply
Yeah.
means is if a currency pair has an average daily range of, let's say, 70 to 100 pips price delivery in a day between the low and the high, and Asian session has delivered over 50 pips, what are you going to trade? You see that? So once the range is high, that's not the kind of setup we want to look at. Then number two, the Asian session itself doesn't have to sweep the high all the times and doesn't have to sweep the lows before it buys. We said it is two things. Number one, it's either price takes at the high, creates a displacement lower. As price returns into internal range, we take a sell. That is if we are in a bearish order flow. Directional bias is much more important than just identifying a run on high or run on lows. Number two, we said if price trades to the high, it doesn't have to sweep the high. Price can trade to the high, create a displacement lower, and return into internal range. So we sell at the high or above the high. When price sweeps the high and trades into an institutional reference point, then we see a reaction that creates a displacement lower. That is when we are looking to sell. When price sweeps the low, trades into an institutional reference point, the fair value, order block, or breaker, then creates a displacement higher, that's when we're looking to buy. Or price creates shift of structure within the Asian session itself. So let's say within this Asian session, we see a bearish shift of structure, more like a mitigation block. During the London, price can return into that bearish mitigation. It doesn't have to sweep the high. That mitigation that happened within the Asian session itself or breaker can sustain price action in going what? Lower. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Good. So that's exactly what I mean.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. So look at this. Let me give you guys an example. Do you see this Asian session? We had a shift in market structure bullish, correct?
Yes, sir.
Price action traded into the bullish order block right here. We didn't sweep the low. What did we do? We traded into the low. The low of the Asian session, that's a buy. Boom, that's the drawn liquidity. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
We couldn't sweep the low because we already had a shift of structure during the Asian session itself. Oh my God. Next question, please.
Sir, can you please check NASDAQ?
I'm with you, sir. We're on
Sir,
NASDAQ.
yes, sir. I'm looking for sells because it's in the 4-hour fair value gap and it gave the market structure shift 15-minute time frame. US 100, sir.
Yeah, I'm looking for. Okay, so you said you are looking to do what?
Sell, sir.
Why sell, sir?
So because it's in the bearish 4 hour fair value gap, and it gave the market structure shift 15-minute time frame, and overall structure is also bearish, sir. I might be wrong, sir.
First, we traded into the discount, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, that fair value right there. Price traded into it. And you've seen price action has been reacting off at that level severally. Let's take a look at the weekly. Price traded into bullish order block. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Let's take a look at the monthly. The monthly currently is bearish, and drawn liquidity would mean if you see, if we didn't check the monthly, we would just say price is so we have a bullish order block there. We have relative equal lows also as well, but currently we are bearish. Weekly has been selling, but of course we do have a bullish order block here that may show some level of reaction to the upside. And if I want to sell on the weekly, where will I be looking at?
50% of the range.
Price has created bearish breaker, isn't it? For every expansion lower, we said we want to see a retracement into internal range. See, the daily time frame is confluencing with bearish order blocks there. Look at what happened there. Price traded into a bearish order block. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And what do we see? Price created
Engulfing candle.
another bearish order block. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We said propulsion candle will usually not trade above 50% of the range. Price traded into the bearish order block. That's its sell. All right, so price traded into a bearish order block, created another bearish order block here. It's called bearish proportion candles. You see how we traded into it? Again, we sold. Boom. We sold.
Yes, sir.
Bearish order block that created another bearish order propulsion.
And same proportional candle.
Exactly. You see how we sold again?
Yes, sir.
And created another bearish
Order block.
Does it make sense for us to sell? If it's going to sell, it shouldn't go above 50% of this candle. We look for signatures to sell in the 1 hour. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So on the 1 hour, what is the current structure on 1 hour? Let's take a look. Price swept the high. Created shift of structure. Right there. And we see price currently sitting at the mitigation block. This mitigation because we have a failure swing and shift of structure here. So price is traded into the mitigation block. You said you wanted to sell from the 4 hour?
Yes, sir. It's in the 4 hour fair value gap. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
This one.
this is valid.
And if you, sir, please look at 15-minute time frame, it gave the market structure shift.
Before
Lower time frame
Before
confirmation.
also has a bearish propulsion, price traded into that bearish order block, created another bearish order block here. You see that?
Yes, sir.
That's a sell for me. Yeah, what are you looking for? 15 minutes? So, but again, you know that NASDAQ doesn't move. Most likely, it's going to move between 9:30 to 12 o'clock New York Standard Time. Look
Yes,
for
sir.
smart money divergence between NASDAQ US 30 and S&P 500 between the
Yes.
9:30 New York Standard Time
Okay, sir.
to 12 o'clock New York Standard Time. A 5 minutes cracking correlation, smart money divergence will create the basics for your execution.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Even if you take an entry now, it's most likely not going to move until 9:30.
Sure, sir. I will follow your guidance.
All right. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
All right. Do I have another question again? I only have 5 minutes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Make it snappy.
Okay, GBP JPY. I'm looking for sell there, but it violated the market structure shift at 5 minutes.
You're looking for what?
So I don't sell GBP JPY.
But there's nothing like sell here now, even on the 15 minutes that I'm seeing. I'm buying this guy. Why are you selling, sir?
So check the 1 hour time frame. I analyze it as it has come to take the internal from the 1 hour time frame.
So on the 1 hour, what did he do? What did he do, sir?
Okay. Something right? Okay. Yes, from in there, I analyze it as it has taken the liquidity inside, which is the clear up liquidity here to this other block so that it can
Which liquidity are you
retrace.
talking about? This one, be this one.
The overall trend is bullish. So it's like counter trade that I want to frame up from that I'm talking about the sell. The overall trend is bullish. So I'm
There's
expecting
no
to
sell,
buy
sir. There's
from
no sell. We are bullish.
I'm calculating to buy from the share value gap below here. So I just trying to frame out counter trade idea, but it's not expecting.
You are trying to frame a sell trade.
As in counter trade.
Counter trade. You can trade, you can counter trade now. Since you already know what you are doing, I don't have a problem. I mean, I have the liberty to, sir.
Hello, sir. But for the buy, I think we expect it to come to this down the share value gap and other blocks below here. For the buy.
Hello, sir. Can I ask a question?
I doesn't have to price. The buy is already ready. The bullish breaker there, the bullish other block is valid. So I don't see it going any lower.
Thank you.
Please,
Hello,
can
sir.
you check
Good morning.
BTC, sir?
I want to ask a question, sir.
Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Please, how can I put a stop loss, setting a stop loss before entering a trade?
Hey, Jesus Christ. How can I put a stop loss for what?
Yes, is it possible?
Yes, it's possible, sir. You know what you do?
No, sir.
Just search on YouTube how to put stop loss before executing a trade. You are going to get a lot of videos showing you exactly what to do.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's
Sir, can I ask you a question, sir?
Yeah,
Thank
go
you.
ahead, sir.
So from the
Sir,
4-hour time frame, sir.
sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, how do you basically choose currency pair for intraday, sir?
Come again?
Sir, how do you basically choose currency pair for intraday, sir? I'm confused with that.
How to choose
Currency pair for intraday, sir.
currency pairs to trade?
Yes, sir.
Just trade what we are doing here. That's why it's mentorship. Euro USD, GBP USD.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, it is mentioned in the mentorship, sir.
I didn't hear.
Sir, is it mentioned in the mentorship, sir, in the charts?
Euro USD, GBP USD.
Sir, basically USD stock, sir.
Please, if you can understand him, explain to me. You don't say me, I know be in there day.
Sir?
So please, can you check from the 4-hour time frame?
No,
sir,
wait
please?
now. We're attending to my other friend from. You are from India, right?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
from India.
Please type in the comments. Just type in the chat here what you want me to do for you. That my friend from India.
Eh,
1 minute, sir.
Sorry about that.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Just type. Let me see what you want me to do for you. The other person asking question.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, I'm on BTC, sir. You're on BTC.
Sir, send, sir.
How do we choose currency pairs for intraday? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Like I said, just trade what we are doing. You don't have to choose any other currency pair for intraday. Be trading Euro USD, GBP USD for now.
Okay, sir.
You get?
Yes, sir. I got it. I got it.
So I think I have a broker that we're trading with right now. And those of you who are having bad experiences with the broker you are trading, please, you guys should move to this broker. I think the other Reverend, I'm not sure if he's on this call, his broker doesn't offer options for gold. He was trading and he was trying to put up to close his trades. He tried, but the broker didn't allow him close his trade. So we resolved that we're going to find an alternative. Put up the link in the comments in the chat section. You guys can click and register with this broker. You can even have up to 100% deposit bonus. Okay, next question.
Yes, sir. You're on BTC, sir. The analysis, sir.
BTC is bullish now.
Yes, sir. It's bullish,
We
but
analyzed this the other day. We said we wanted to take a buy here. Price came into the bullish breaker. We bought. Now it has taken liquidity. It has done a run on liquidity.
Yes, sir.
And created shift of structure bullish. Did you see that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Price traded back into the bullish mitigation here, or bullish order block, like you can call it, and created a propulsion candle. See that?
Yes, sir. I see, sir.
We traded back into the propulsion candle, and boom, we're moving. So it's bullish.
All right, sir.
Sir, can you go for USD JPY, sir?
Come again?
Sir, can you go for USD JPY?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Be like I'll have to analyze every currency for you. USD JPY is what is asking.
Sir, I'm checking for buy, sir. Is it
Yeah,
possible?
of course, we know that USD JPY too should buy because the dollar is repricing into internal range. Abi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we have price action reacting of a bullish breaker right here. Price took out the low, shift of structure. We're back right at the bullish breaker. Let's take a look at the.
It has straight into a fair gap, sir.
So we might see bullish close today. Other person asking a question, please.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Some of us are actually, this is our first session with you, and we're just trying to follow up to see how we can also catch up So after watching your videos, and I'm sure I've actually not gotten to the week 6 though, but I just decided to join this. I'm guessing these are hello, hello,
When did you join this?
hello.
When did you join the mentorship?
Just like a week ago.
Who
Like
is
I
speaking? Is it
joined.
Enoch?
No, Abdul Aziz is speaking.
Those other persons that are talking, I will just remove you. I'm with you.
Yes, sir. So I'm trying to get a whole understanding on the concept so that we'll be able to follow religiously. You understand? After watching the videos, and I'm sure we'll be able to come online like this to probably take trades or analyze the market, right?
We're with you, sir.
I'm still, as I said, I'm still new, so I honestly don't really understand the whole concept as a whole.
Whose videos are you watching?
Solomon King.
Okay, so take your time, finish the video first.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. Yes, very well.
But I will even tell them as they are rebuilding the website, I think it's safer for us to make it in a way that before you even join the Telegram, you should finish the videos. What do you guys think?
Yes.
That'll be better, right?
Yes.
Before anybody has access to the Telegram, he must finish, he must complete his lessons.
Yeah, exactly. That would be fine.
I think that's what we'll do.
I'm actually on like week 3, so I just decided to join this so that I'll be able to understand what's going on.
You don't have the fundamentals. You can't even understand what we are doing now. First, finish the videos. Watch it more than
Thank you
once.
very much.
Write notes.
Sure,
Don't just watch
sure,
video without writing notes.
Sure.
Write note. Watch it more than once. Then when
Okay.
you grab that one, here is
Okay.
surgery here. That's what we are doing in the Zoom session. The video is just anatomy. We are teaching you structure. When you come here, it's surgery. We are showing you the application of the things you've learned and how we can use it dynamically in different forms as the market keeps on folding.
Okay.
Is that okay?
I appreciate that. Very well, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, please pardon me. I have a different view of BTC. I stand to be corrected, but I'm seeing a sell setup. In fact, since yesterday.
Okay.
Because on the daily, yes. So on the daily, it's mitigated the fair value gap there after sweeping liquidity, and it shifted structure on the 1 hour. Yes. So I'm seeing price being attracted to that daily IOFED at the bottom, the old high and the fair value gap, before it thinks of going back up. That's the way I see it.
You are seeing it going to where on the daily?
Yes, that IOFED there. Yes, he just marked it.
Where is the IOFED?
So and it below the one you just marked.
Okay,
below.
here.
Yes. That's the old high and the fair value gap.
Okay.
So it mitigated the daily fair value gap and shifted structure on the 1 hour.
Okay. Here, right?
Yes, exactly.
Or here?
So no, the first place you pointed at.
Okay.
Since the week is long, I removed it and there was displacement when I saw it.
I'm with you.
So I'm looking at it, it's selling from wherever it wants to in this range.
Have you entered this yet?
Yes, I have.
Very good. Since you believe in the setup, it's good. We are both students of the market. We'll learn.
Okay.
We just have.
Bossa, please.
Someone keep stop loss too much.
But if it takes out that high on 4 hour, it's confirmed bullish. We will look for buys, right?
Who's talking?
It's Chris. I mean, on the BTC you are now.
We are both students of the market. Both of us will learn. In fact, I will be watching on this trade so that as the outcome unfolds,
Yes, sir. Sure, sure. But I was just saying, I was just asking if it takes us that high on the 4 hour now, it's confirmed we are going to look for buys.
My friend, have you heard something called low resistance liquidity run?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how it looks like?
So can you explain, because this don't make things go over my head.
Sir, we don't know.
How do you mean you don't know? I've been saying this thing every time in my teachings, so you don't know. But you know what is called diagonal liquidity?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
we do.
This is trend line, Abi.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
And it is expected that retail are going to be looking to sell where? My one and only. Retail is going to be looking to sell at this level. Truth?
Exactly. Yes, sir.
And institutions are looking to liquidate retail. We are going to sell at those levels. However, let's watch and see.
So I thought you are Muslim and I hear you eating something.
It's not a
That means it is not
I
ready,
thought you are
sir.
Muslim, oh,
Why do you think I'm a Muslim?
because the name resemble, you look like a Muslim name.
What
And you
am
are
Yeah,
Akan.
so you have not seen him preach. He's not a Muslim.
Yeah, I'm eating
He's a
chips right
pastor.
now.
So, sir, the PTC is not ready yet, sir.
Which is well
That means it is not ready yet now.
to sell.
No, to buy. I'm actually looking for a buy, not sell, actually.
No, me, I'm advising to the person who is looking to sell. No,
Okay.
we are looking to buy. I've already outlined. Okay, I showed you guys what we're looking at.
Yeah, you showed
How
me. Yeah,
price fell
yes.
below, traded back
Yeah, yes, sir.
into that bullish breaker. Again, price traded into the bullish order block here. Created another shift of structure, traded back into the mitigation expansion. We have that propulsion candle. So two things will happen. I'll see confirmations around this level. The bullish order block there as well. As price gets to that level, I'm gonna buy if I see a lower time frame confirmatory signature, or wait until it gets here. Okay. BTC moves even on weekends, so this can happen.
Yeah.
Regardless. And there's equal high above, and there's fair value liquidity void above it. Does that make sense?
Exactly.
To draw liquidity there?
Yeah, it makes sense, sir. Yeah.
Sir, it has another family gap, sir. It has another family gap.
It has what?
Family gap, sir. Family gap.
Above or below?
Above, sir.
Above, sir.
Great. Okay, my friends, I think we've done so much today.
Sorry, sir. Good morning, sir. Sorry, please excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, please, on gold, you checked gold earlier. I thought it was gold was bullish. Sir, please, I didn't catch the gold trade in the morning, sir. Is there, please, can you just help us check for where we can possibly buy again if it retraces back?
There's nothing to buy on gold right now. Leave it till next week. Okay.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, funny enough, you will soon go buy. As far you told him not to buy, you go buy again. You
Taking
shall.
out external range liquidity already. What's the logic behind it? Should you be buying from here? Does it make sense?
No, sir, not at all. No, sir.
Simple now. Simple logic. You can't be buying from here. So overbought, we wait for internal range to be mitigated, then you buy again. You missed all this, or you missed from here, you missed this, you missed this, you even missed this before this major
I took those ones
traded
yesterday,
into.
but just one of today. I took those ones yesterday, but I didn't take one of today. This morning, I missed.
You
I took
made
those one of
money yesterday. You know, do you?
They do draw.
All right, it is well. I wish you guys all the best. I think we've had quite enough time today. And I've attended to everybody, right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you very
thank you
much.
so
I've
Thank you
not
much.
very much,
attended
sir.
Thank you,
to.
Thank you
sir.
very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir. God
weekend.
bless you, sir.
Is there
Thank
anybody
you
I've not
so much.
attended to?
Thank you so much, sir. God bless everybody.
All right. Thank you so much, my friends. Please don't
Yeah,
forget to
enjoy your
check out
weekend.
the broker I sent you guys. Register and sign up. Let's see what we can build on the broker together.
Have
Then
you
The
sent
name
it
of the
already,
broker,
sir?
please.
Sir, please send the link. Send the
The
link on the
name of the
group.
broker.
Send the link on the group.
okay, I'll send the link of the broker in the group.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do together. We're thinking of creating a community just for signals with this broker, see what we can build. Because I see a lot of people doing, we just want to give it a try. We are not really the signal guys, but we said, let's give it a try and see what we can do.
All right.
Okay, send
And
it,
those
sir.
of you who have been reaching out to me over the week for mentorship, for a discount on one-on-one mentorship. Today is Friday. Usually on Fridays, I give a little discount. You can send me a DM. I may give you a discount today.
Sorry, sir. I don't know if I'm the only one. The volume is very low. I don't know. Yes, sir. Your volume is low, sir. It's very low. We can't hear you clearly.
My volume is low.
Yes, very sir. Low.
It's not low. It's not low.
We
I
are
don't
trying
think
to
so.
send our
It's not
ear
low.
to hear you.
It's not low.
What device are you using, sir?
It's not low. It's
The
not
volume
low.
is clear.
It's not low.
Volume is clear, I beg.
Are you sure it's not the device?
It goes off and on. It goes
The
up and
first
down.
miracle every trader should experience is have a good device.
Yes.
Exactly.
Please, let's try, my friends. Okay, have a good device.
Leave house,
Thank
go
you, sir.
bush so that you
I
can
was
get
saying
network.
that those of you who reached out, who have been reaching out, and those of you who are intending to, for a one-on-one mentorship where you have access to a dedicated attention and advanced learning, you can send me a DM today. You can get a slight discount for one-on-one mentorship today. I beg, nobody should drag me. It's not compulsory. If you cannot afford the rest, what we have in the mentorship is already working. Abi? All right. Thank you so much. See you guys another time.
Thank you, sir.